Hello, and welcome to Lewisville ISD Pre-Kindergarten. We are so excited to have you enroll your child in our outstanding pre-K program and are here to help. We hope this video makes the process easier for you. LISD pre-K programs allow children to learn through play and exploration in a structured school environment. Our pre-K classes are the perfect place for your child to begin their school career and prepare them for success and for a lifetime of limitless opportunity. LISD offers both tuition-based and free state-funded pre-K options. Discovery Academy is LISD's tuition-based option for 3- and 4-year-old students at a select number of campuses. Spots are limited. To learn more and apply, visit lisd.net/discovery. Free state-funded pre-K is guaranteed to students who qualify. They must be 4 years old on or before September 1st and meet one of the following requirements: child of a Lewisville ISD teacher, learning English as a second language, qualify by household income, are homeless, an active duty parent in the military, a child of a first responder who received the Star of Texas Award, or currently or have ever been in state foster care. All 4-year-old students who also meet at least one of the state's pre-K eligibilities are guaranteed a spot in full-day LISD pre-K class. However, pre-K class locations are subject to availability and vary by school location. To begin the enrollment process for pre-K in LISD, complete the online pre-registration at lisd.net/enroll. You may visit the LISD Welcome Center, your local campus, or a public library branch to access a computer for the online pre-registration. Once your pre-registration is submitted, you will then contact the school where your child will attend pre-K to finalize enrollment by providing the required registration documents: government-issued identification, a proof of residency, either electric, gas, or water bill with your name on it, SNAP, TANF, or proof of income, which includes the most recent check stubs for all working members of the household, and your child's birth certificate, shot records, and social security card, if your child has one. Visit lisd.net/pre-K or call the district's Early Childhood Programs office at 469-948-8227 for locations or more information about free, state-funded, and tuition-based pre-K options in Lewisville ISD. Thank you for your interest in pre-K in Lewisville ISD. We look forward to having your child in class.